morning, almost afternoon. It is Monday. As you can see, it's daylight out. We didn't leave this morning like we normally do because we got a shit ton of snow. This is nothing compared to what it was this morning at 3 o'clock. We got about, depending on the area, I'd say 6 inches to a foot. We got about 8-9 inches in our area. I just got done shoveling the driveway and brushing up the cars and stuff. I called in, or I texted in because nobody, of course, is in the warehouse that early in the morning. Texted in and told them that I called my homeowner and let them know that we ain't gonna be there today because it's the first snow. And even though I got a full drive and have common sense of driving in the snow, I'm not trusting my life and my livelihood and my tools, the way I make money in other people's hands. So I just told them to tell them we'll be there tomorrow and we'll get everything done tomorrow instead of trying to get there today and deal with everybody else that don't know how to drive in this type of weather. No offense to you, but a little bit of common sense goes a long way when it comes to new situations or situations you haven't been in a long time. So, yeah, we are now going to head down to Indy, go grab everything for the week, come back, and then we'll go there tomorrow morning, get everything knocked out. But, yeah, we got our first snowfall that's stuck, and it wasn't like a little bit of snow and then it stick type thing. Like it was, this is our very first snow out of everything. Like we haven't gotten a flurry or nothing yet this year, and it came down hard. It started snowing yesterday. We got a few inches yesterday morning that stuck, and then it stuck throughout the day. Of course, melted off a little bit, and then last night it just, I would say it snowed off and on throughout the day yesterday, but mid into the day yesterday it started snowing and it didn't stop till about 4 o'clock this morning. So I hope this is a good sign to see what kind of snow we're gonna get this year. I mean, I like the snow. Doesn't really bother me too much, but I would really love to have a white Christmas. We haven't really had that in a while, and it'd be nice to see this kind of snow stick around all season. But it's early. I mean, we haven't had a November snow and that has stuck around in years. Usually we don't get our first sticking snow until close to the end of December or maybe January. But yeah, we'll hope and see. Christmas hasn't really felt the same for a while, mainly just because of the fact we haven't gotten any snow, which is kind of weird. But I've lived in the snow my whole life, so I grew up around it, never left it really. So it's part of my life. It's something that I expect to see every winter to kind of give you that feel like, hey, this is winter time. Like, yeah, I get you people down south don't want to see this stuff, or maybe want to see it for a day and that's it, or don't want to see, I don't know. To me, it's part of the holidays. So, but we're heading down. We're going to get Tad. We're heading down to Indy, and then come back and let's do that stuff tomorrow. Yeah, this week we are doing 2 showers, one in Decatur and one in Crown Point. Decatur is not really close to home, so hopefully we can get that all done tomorrow, especially since we're going to start today and we didn't. Then I don't remember Crown Point's about 40-50 minutes from my house, so it ain't bad. So we will I think that one was cookie cutter. They're both cookie cutters, but we'll see. I don't remember everything off the top of my head. I kind of try to work stuff out for the week, but yeah, we're gonna get down to Indy and our one laptop came in today, so hopefully I can edit a lot easier and get all this shit done on YouTube. And yeah, like I said before, really far behind on that. I've been putting a lot of my focus into the shed stuff, so hopefully we can get all that stuff uploaded here soon. But we'll catch you guys in a little while. Morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I didn't do any more videoing after yesterday because pretty much just went down to Indy and picked up and came home and didn't do anything after that. We didn't start our job yesterday because we got, as you saw in the little clip yesterday morning, a bunch of snow. I feel like driving 5-6 hours and all that. There was a bunch of accidents on routes that we had to take anyway, so we just avoided it. So we went down once the roads cleared up, picked up, and then went home, and then doing this all today. We have a 34x60 today to do. Hopefully it goes smooth. We'll see. Right now Tad's doing demo. I just got set up. Got the heater going. Diesel heater that we use for the trailers. First time I fired it up this season. It's pretty nice. It struggles a little bit when it gets really cold out just because the trailers aren't insulated. That's one thing I wish I would have done before I put all the stuff in it, but stuff went in the trailers as we were using them, so it's kind of hard to take the walls off and get them insulated. But oh well, it ain't too bad. Once it gets warmed up, it stays warm. Usually a full tank will last a whole job. I think it's a little less than a gallon. But yeah, I'm gonna get set up, get my stuff ready to go, and we're gonna try and get this knocked out fast today. So we'll catch you guys here in a bit.
Die. waking from it in the night. Clench my hands till my knuckles are white, but it won't take me over. I'm moving past these years, and I know that I'm closer to leaving all my fears. 'Cause it's hard time, I'm getting stronger despite all of these monsters.
Little mid-job update. The pan set, drain's done, valve's done, backing's in, drywall is mostly in. He's finishing that up right now. And then we're gonna get some panels cut and measured, or measured and cut. And then get those all done and button things up and get out of here. It's gonna be a little bit later of a day, but gotta get her done. Hopefully we'll be done and out of here by like 4 o'clock, but it's about 1:40 now, so we will see if that happens. Hopefully it does, because I would rather not be here. Get a little bit of haircut, beard trim, but I would rather not be here. Like to be here past 5, 6 o'clock, just because I just feel a little weird being at homeowners' houses later than that. It feels even weirder right now just because it's winter time and the days get shorter, but hopefully we're done by then before it gets dark, and we will move on to the next tomorrow and get that done. Probably go down to Wednesday, or go down to Indy Thursday, do a couple shower doors, pick up for next week, so we can just go straight to Plymouth on Monday and not have to drive to Indy and then back to Plymouth. See if we can't knock out next week's jobs in 2 days and have another 5-day weekend to work on some other stuff. Now that we got the shed going, we can get some more content out there, and new laptop came in, so we can work on editing faster and getting all these videos uploaded. Probably gonna have like a week's worth of 2 or 3 videos a day uploading, and then hopefully next week we can be on a normal schedule. That'd be nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some walls measured and get you guys here in a bit.
And this time I'm moving so far, this light is taking over. Strong again, I'm seeing me in my own eyes. Sun again is dancing in my mind, and it'll carry over. I'm moving past these years, and I know that I'm closer to leaving all my
Alright guys, that's it for this one. As always, stay motivated, stay positive, and I'll catch you on the next one.